I'm Leanne Yakwa with SRP, and the reason why I'm here is because we're going to introduce this next video about landscape irrigation and why it's so important to irrigate efficiently. Did you know that up to 70% of your water use is used outdoors? That's why I've asked Warren Gorowitz of Ewing Irrigation to come out and help our homeowner, Lisa, to learn more about efficient irrigation and the importance of watering efficiently.
Hi Lisa, I'm Warren Gorowitz with Ewing Irrigation and Landscape Supply, and we're here in a typical landscaped backyard in the valley to learn about irrigation.
Fantastic. So where do we start?
Well Lisa, for a lot of Phoenicians it really starts with the lawn, and I realize you're not going to have one, but for those that do have lawns, it's really important to irrigate efficiently. And it can be simple as changing out your traditional spray head nozzles for multi-stream rotating nozzles, and you can save up to 30% water just by doing that.
Since I'm not going to have a lawn, this is something more of what I'm looking to do in my yard. What would you do for this?
So the most efficient way to irrigate landscape plants is by using drip irrigation. And there's a lot of different components that make up a drip irrigation system. There's tubing, you also have your emitter line, and then most importantly you have your emitters. One of the most important things about using drip irrigation emitters is making sure you pick the right emitter for the right plant and putting out the right amount of water. These emitters are different colors because they represent a different amount of water that they put out, which is known as gallons per hour. One of the most important things when you're choosing drip emitters is to make sure they're pressure compensating.
So with all the different plants we're going to be putting in our yard, what's the best way to know how and how much to water?
Well, you can actually visit the Water Use It Wisely website, and there's a great guide called Landscape Watering by Numbers that has all that information in it.
My current controller for my sprinkler system is about 10 years old. What should we do to update that?
Well, there's a lot of great new products on the market, and we recommend WaterSense label controllers that are smart controllers that actually schedule your irrigation system based on weather conditions. Some of them can even be run in the palm of your hand with your smartphone.
That sounds really great, but how would I go about learning how to use it?
Check with your local water provider for information on classes and rebates for smart controllers.
Warren, thank you so much for sharing everything with me today. This is more of what I'm looking for. I love this.
You're welcome, Lisa. This is a great example of xeriscaping, low water use landscaping. For more information on the irrigation equipment we spoke about today, be sure to check out our YouTube videos at ewingirrigation.com.
Thanks, Warren. That was a lot of great information on smart irrigation controllers and drip emitters.
So if you want more information, you can come to the annual SRP Water Conservation Expo, correct?
That's right. We're going to have water exhibitors there, and also you can have a discount on a smart irrigation controller.
Awesome. I'll see you in March.
That's right, and we'll see you next week when we talk to Lisa more about her yard and breaking ground.